So I'm here with Andrei from Artec 3D. So what can you tell us about the Leo scanner?
So let me show you. So that's the absolutely new generation of the handheld 3D scanners. So this is the first scanner which is absolutely wireless. So you can use it without computer. You don't need now the balance with the laptop in one hand and scanner in another. So this is absolutely another level of the technology. So this is 120 solid state drive inside. So this is NVIDIA Tegra, ready for artificial intelligence computer inside. Touch screen, which is very useful. You can see what you scan, and so this is absolutely unique and new opportunity. This level of the electronical integration in this scanner is the same like in your mobile phone. So that's I think that's provide us opportunity. Maybe the next years improve customer experience based on this platform.
Yeah, the wireless is pretty exciting.
Yeah, and what is more important, so that's when people scan. So it keeps the trackings very well, and so the scan became very easy, and with the easy process, you receive the absolutely professional results. That's the main point. So the idea is that we should expand the sphere and businesses when people can use it without strong and long curve of learning. So do this just easy, even if they do this first time.
So let's build upon that. Instead of talking about the hardware, let's talk a little bit about the software.
Yeah.
And maybe give us a preview of what you might think are some of the enhancements and new features coming down the pipe from a software perspective that'll help customers, clients.
So that's the tradition of Artec is to each year we typically advertise the new major release of our flagman software, Artec Studio. So that's what we are doing. So we analyze the statistics, what customers do more often, in what operation they waste more time than and focused our researchers on these functions. So that's, for example, now Artec Studio, which sell Artec Studio 12, which is about 10 times quicker than Artec Studio 11. So we expect that in the end of May we will receive Artec Studio 13. So and it will be more quicker, more better for user experience. We wanted to, it will be better automatic function which will help people to easy use our scanners. That's the main idea.
So, that's all great stuff. I guess talk a little bit about the specific applications for people who might want to use these scanners for metrological.
Yeah, sure.
Specific.
Yes. People use our scanners for many different applications. So that's the industrial and mechanical applications. Maybe this is the biggest part. So for metrology too. So we have inside the opportunity to measure, make the measurements, and also you can, for example, just compare two different forms. So, for example, you can take the ideal model from the cut and then scan something, and then compare just visually the color map of the difference between these two models, for example, which is
that's
I can
definitely see the benefit.
Yeah.
That's a great
Yeah.
application of
Yep.
measuring everything.
Mm-hmm.
It's great. Awesome stuff. Thanks for sharing.
Yeah. Thank you.